Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and welcome in Business Guide. In this video, I will guide you how you can set up your own business, your own LLC in Kansas. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get here on the Incfile side. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you set up your own LLC. And I always say that as a business owner, you should focus, or we should focus on generating revenue. And also for providing value to people. We shouldn't care about accountancy. We should outsource it. Creation of the company, like with IRS, with the agent, just leave it to someone else and you focus on running the business. I see many times that business owners are micromanaging everything from accounting, administration, creation of the company, and then they don't have time to actually generating revenue and selling, let's say. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in Incfile, you want to click here, Start My Business. Here, you're going to choose Start Your Business with Confidence, and you're going to choose the LLC, let's say, and state of formation. You choose Kansas. Then, when you're going to have it, you have option between 3 plans here, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. So, as you can see, you can go with preparing with the Silver, where you can have the basics. And my recommendation is going with Gold or Platinum, and I will explain the differences. In a Gold, you can have the same thing as with the Platinum, the business tech consultation, the IRS form, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, unlimited phone and email support, which is huge. But also in a Platinum version, you're gonna have the expedited filling. So the filling would be faster, not like let's say 3-4 weeks, but few days. And also the business contract templates and domain name and business email just in the package. And you can choose it, but if you're going to choose Gold, I'm going to choose Gold in this video. Later in the video, you can upgrade it to Platinum later in when you're going to create your own LLC with me. So here I'll click Get the Gold package. And you're going to add a first name, last name, email address. So I'll add Marcus Stanelius. Now I will add email, which is going to be tutorial like this, gmail.com. And now I'm going to add a phone number here. So give me a second. Like this. Okay. Paste here. Then street address. City Derby, and state Kansas. And then zip code. Now I'm going to press next here. And now we have option to have a 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day filling time. I'm going to choose the 3 weeks, but if you don't want to choose the Platinum version, you can just choose here the 1 business day filling time. It's up to you. So your filling would be faster. I would choose 3 weeks for now, and I will show you how we can upgrade for the Platinum version later in the video. So press next. Now you have to add your own company information, like let's say LLC name. So it can be, let's say, Bakery by Marcus, or I don't know, Design by Jessica, Hair Salon by Marta, I don't know. So let's say I'm going to name it Sanvi, which is the name of my company. And then I'm going to add designator, let's say LLC. Now when you got it, number of members, owners, I'm going to choose 1. Then you can have the business purpose, and which is going to be, let's say, marketing services for small business owners. And then I'm going to also add industry, let's say marketing, consulting services. Now when I got it, I'm going to also add the company address information and just choose it right here. Then you can have the mailing address information here. And let's say yes, and member information. Now please, as whether or not you would like to members of the LLC to be listed as organizers. You can have it as yes list or do not list. This is completely up to you if you want to have it there. Read this. If you feeling good about it, just press yes list. But if you gonna be a registered agent, then it's going to be there. But if you're gonna have like do not list, it's option 2, it's up to you. Then press next here. Now we have option to choose the premium service package, as I mentioned, with the business contract templates, the expedited filling service. And you would find everything here as a sales agreement, privacy policy, terms of service, employment agreement, everything here. And now when you're going to do it, the next step is get upgraded and bonus. And you're going to have also the domain name and business email address for free here. So you can upgrade it if you want to. Or like just press here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. I'll click here, get upgraded and bonus. And now you have option to go with member 1, individual or company. So if you're representing a company, you're going to choose company and fill everything. If you're presenting individual, I'm going to again add myself here and then press next again. And right here, we're going to add assign Incfile as my registered agent for free. And then when we have the guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail, and when I got everything here, that's something that I definitely recommend for you to do, to have Incfile as having the registered agent. And you're not going to make a mistake if you're gonna go this way. Then I'm going to press next here. And then you're gonna have the employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your IN from the IRS electronically. So this is something that I definitely recommend to do, and just have like SSN number here or IT number. And when you're gonna fill it out again and have the physical street address here also, then again we're gonna press next. Now my camera just went off, I see. You're gonna have also the option to start your own bank account. So you can do and open it with the Bank of America, and they will contact you. You have option for it, or you can press not at this time. And then when you got it, again, you're gonna press next here. Then you're gonna have the free consultation here. This is something that I definitely recommend to have overview of your LLC, how it works, what to expect there. And then I would click, I would like to receive the business tech consultation. And then if you're gonna fill the order out, then they will contact you about the tax consultation. Then again, I'm going to press next here. And then you're gonna see that we identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Kansas. And then you can press here that no thanks, I'll do the work by myself. Or I recommend that they will send it to you. So yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And then you would simply add all the address here, city, zip code. Again, I recommend doing it. Then this is the review order for your own LLC that you created. And when you're going to fill everything and check everything out, again, you would press next here. And when you got it, then you just simply add a country, cardholder, first name, last name, street address, card number, and complete and pay. On the right side, you would see also the price here, which is pretty acceptable, because you have to think like this. Okay, you're going to pay $500, but you can invest your time to managing your business, and you don't have to take 3 weeks, 4 weeks trying to build your own company by yourself. So this is why I recommend Incfile. If you're going to have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to provide you any support. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.